माननीय सदस्य सुश्री एस ज्योतिमणि जी।
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. Ma'am, we the people of Tamil Nadu strongly oppose the NEET. Now, there are other states which include BJP alliance states joined the fight against NEET. We strongly believe NEET is the test of social and financial capital, wherein the most privileged who can afford to spend exorbitant amounts on coaching institute will take the cake. But the worst today, it has become a test of who has the means to buy the question paper for 25 lakhs. I want to remind the House of the bright young girl, yes, Anita from Tamil Nadu, who died in 2017. Anita hailed from a small remote village. She was a very brilliant student and coming from a Dalit community who had secured 1,176 out of 1,200 marks in her board examinations. Anita did not have the capital to go to Premier Coaching Institute and so could not meet the cut-off need. Eventually, she committed suicide. But I refuse to call this as a suicide. What happened to Anita was an institutional murder. It was the result of a broken system that is designed to push the already marginalized further towards the margins. She is not the only one. At least 18 students have committed suicide due to NEET in my state. The last one, unfortunately, Badana Priya from Poigaipatti is from my constituency. Still, I remember the fateful night where I was lost of words when their parents were crying out of their heart. Tamil Nadu has historically stood against the concept of entrance examinations. Such exams contravene the principle of social justice as substantiated by the A.K. Rajan Committee report, which found that after NEET was introduced, fewer students from rural areas and those studying in Tamil medium schools secured admission to medical colleges in the state. Based on the report, the State Legislative Assembly based the Tamil Nadu Admission to Undergraduate Medical Courses Act 2021. The Act would have empowered the state to allow for admission of students into medical colleges on the basis of their board examination scores. In this light, I urge the union government to scrap the NEET exam altogether and allow for state governments to develop an admission process based on the higher secondary scores and the interim to exempt states from NEET on their request. It is high time we remove the rot in our education system. Thank you, Madam.
माननीय सदस्य श्री जयंत बसुमतारी जी।
धन्यवाद मैम, आपने शून्यकाल में मेरे क्षेत्र की कुछ बात इस सदन में रखने के जो समय दिया, इसलिए आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। माननीय सभापति महाशया, मेरे क्षेत्र आसाम के कोकराझार है, क्योंकि ये पिछड़े एक क्षेत्र है और मैं जिस बात को यहाँ रखना चाहता हूँ, इस बात को सदन में कई बार आलोचना हो चुकी है कि फ्री कोविड में हमारे क्षेत्रों में जैसे कि श्रीरामपुर, गोसाईगांव, सौतारा, गुआबारी, சப்போட்கிராம், புக்கிராகிராம், குக்ராஜார், சலாக்காட்
இதுபோன்று முக்கிய நிகழ்வுகள், அரசியல் தகவல்களை ஆழமாகவும் மாறுபட்ட கோணத்திலும் அறிந்து கொள்ள மறக்காமல் உங்கள் IND தமிழ் 24/7 பக்கத்தை பின்பற்றிக் கொள்ளவும். உங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு ஆதரவும் இதுபோன்று பல நிகழ்வுகளின் பின்னணியை அறிய உதவும்.